I know everyone gets motivated from the first day of the year. Okay, I'm back. I'm really back. But it's been more than a year that I have not paddled. It's been more than 1 year. And you can see this is all open for me, all open to try. And let me tell you, the feeling that I'm having at this point in time is amazing. I bought this new bike, a very basic bike. It's fairly good. It is fairly good. It's a single speed with basic brakes and all those accessories that you get. Okay, I have removed everything, the mud guards and all those nonsense crap that they put on a bicycle. I have removed it to make it more lighter, and I'm really getting a very good speed here. An easy overbridge. Single speed experience is totally different. You have only one speed, and you need to work on your from your legs. Come on, let's do it. Oh, what is the best thing about cycling is that when you pedal, you have all sort of, plans that keeps on popping. I'm not sure it happens with you as well, but for me it's like I'm pedaling and I'm thinking about, okay, now from here I can go to which place, or maybe I can pedal to which destination. Oh my god, my phone is around 8:04. It's gonna be 23 today. Okay, so now I'm thinking, oh my god, what all places I can go and paddle around, so that I can make my Sundays, more fruitful and more exciting, which eventually for an year was shit. Really shit. Oh Lord, I was working from home, and it was taking a toll on my body and my mind. I felt lethargic, but now is the time. That is a fairly nice, wonderful flat track. Keeps on rolling.